Hi friends, today we're going to do the 3D printing basics. Let's hop on to it. Now this is a website called Thingiverse. Thingiverse is a website that has all kinds of 3D prints that you can 3D print at home. So say if you wanted to print this, you'd head there, then you would click download all file. Downloading in 3, 2, 1. So download there, and download came up, and you click on the first one. After you click on that, go to your downloads and see, click on the first one, right click on this first one, do extract it, wait until it downloads. Now you go to Kira, go to the file, you go to downloads, find a balanced bird, go to files, click on that, and then it will end up here. So now it can't just be like flying like that. So then you go here. Then let's go to support. Okay. Let's see by slicing it. And done. Let's see the preview of this. Don't want the. Oh, go down and go to save to remoteable drive. That. Then you eject it. Now safely take this out. Save it. Save it here. Saved it. Okay, now that it's in the chip, let's go put this to the printer. So now that we've made our bird, which balances on your finger, it actually does work. And this is the website called Tinkercad. So what we're gonna try to do is we're gonna make a stand for this bird to stand on. So if we're doing that, we would go to create, go to 3D designs, so now this is a base plate. So we want to print something on it. So we're gonna use this box tool. We're gonna put it down to 3, make it bigger a little bit, then we're gonna drag it to the middle. Then we're gonna add again this, shrinking it a little bit, so then this can stay on it. I'm gonna move it to a little bit to the middle and bring it up like to 80. Put that to 80. Enter, and there. So there's our stand. So now that we've made our stand, we want it to be together, or else if it's not together, only one part will move. So we're gonna select all that and go to group. Then if we move one part, all of it goes together. So now that we want to put it to the chip like last time, we want to plug it in. So now that we plug it in, we're gonna go to export. Then here it says STL, so we want an STL file. So I press on STL. So now that it's gone to our downloads, we click on that and wait for it to download. Now that Kira is downloaded, here it is. Here is our stand. So like last time, we don't need to put on a stand for it, like supports, because this is lying down on the bottom and this is going upwards. So we don't need that. Now we're just gonna slice it like last time. So it says here that it's 1 hour and 36 minutes. Then we're gonna hit right there, save removable drive, and click on that, click on eject. Now it says that I can safely take this out. Then I save the disk. Then right there, save it, open folder. So open folder just means that you can see it. So here it is. It says right here, and that's here it is. And now we're just gonna close that. And then now since it is in here, we can plug this into the printer and start printing. So this is the 3D printer. So we're gonna put this chip in this chip holder right here. Put that in on it from the back. Then we first want to preheat the printer. So it says right here, this part needs to go to 200 and this one needs to go to 60. While it's preheating, I would put some a little bit of glue stick in the area where it's printing. When it's done preheating, you go to print. Then you go to the first one that it says on the screen. When you click on that, it starts printing.